on enemy team also.
I'm not. It's
Where is
Ada.
Chocopie?
Chocobai is in hideout, bro.
Yeah,
Oh,
actually,
did he ready?
Yeah, he's already
Okay.
ready.
Someone on enemy
No,
actually.
no. Yeah.
Okay, nice guys. Let's try this.
Crystal round.
Let's do it.
Okay, time to kill these boys.
Okay, food check, yeah, food check. I'll mark you guys now.
what I forgot
Check.
to.
So our main D tank is this. Choco Pie
We have to win
is
this, okay?
hard.
I mean, PC. We win this.
Who is our main here? Duke is our main. Okay, everyone is marked.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, don't attack before me. Yeah, I need to ask them for GG call first if they are doing that.
Okay, I find him. One hand mace.
Wait.
Hello.
Hello for GA.
Do it fast, okay? We don't want to waste time.
Grandmaster one hand mace. And this color. Realm breaker. Longbow. I think they have the same comm as us. I haven't
Almost.
seen oh yeah, Miss Piercer as well. I see one Miss Piercer.
But why is he not typing?
Getting research timing.
Oh, come back, Choco. Choco, actually, you reset and switch to last W, bro. Yeah, last W is OP. It is so OP. Use it on engage. Reset and switch to 5th W.
Can you mark their collar, the 100 mace?
Yeah. He's going to be this. Does any mark left? Okay, he's going to be shield mark. Okay, I am going to mark skull with who am I engaging? Choco, did you reset to 5th W?
What's it mean?
Yeah, you 5th W, bro. Use it on engage.
What's one? Double four?
555. Glacial Obelisk.
For cooldown, Cascade? Why?
Yep. Sir. Okay.
There's no one using it. Why?
Okay. It's you use it on engage on a DPS. Okay, get ready. Get in position.
They have a fallen staff as well.
Wait, don't use it right now, bro. Use it when I say we are engaging. Okay, wait for their engage. Okay, we headbutt them. We don't engage first. We wait for their engage. Don't clump. You're too clump, bro. You're going to get GA. Don't clump. D-tank can come up, but everybody else go back. Okay. Wait. Wait for their engage. It's fine. Yeah, rebound. You can come, but everybody else step back. Okay. Wait. Okay, look on the stairs. Look on the stairs. Don't engage, but look on the stairs. Okay. Don't. Okay, on the stairs. Wait. They went back. We are playing for passive, bro. Okay, on the stairs in 3, in 2, in 1. And kite, full kite after. Full kite. They headbutt. They're going to headbutt, bro. Full kite. Spirit Hunter late. Full kite. Kite. Gig now. Kite. West. Go west. Okay, come back. Reset CD, get CD, come back.
Very long.
CD, get CD on red. Okay, you can inch up now. Inch up. Get ready to engage. Get ready. Deep. Come. Use your boots. Deep. In 3, in 2, in 1. Oh, you got GA? Okay, go back. You guys got GA. Go back. It's fine. Pop. Gig now. Go up the choke. Get CD up the choke. Get CD, stabilize. Do you have CD? Parma, CD? Do you have cooldowns? Okay, deep again. Deep. Inch up. We go deep. Okay, deep. GA them. GA the clump. Offensive, GA the clump. PN? Can you? GA them, bro. Okay, it's fine. Go up, go back, go back, go back. They're looking, they're looking. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. They can't. Okay, headbutt this. 3, 2, 1. On me. Oh fuck! I miss. If you can, just drop and go back. Drop and go back. Drop and go back. Drop and go back. Go back. Go back. Up the choke. Up the choke. Up the choke. Go back. Up the choke. Up the choke. Up the choke, bro. Up the choke. Don't say. Up the choke. Up the choke. My bad, guys. My bad. Oh fuck! I'm on the wrong shoe, bro. What the fuck? I need to reset.
Right, I'm at home.
Yeah, I'm on the wrong shoe as well. Don't hit me, don't hit me. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. I am switching. I need to switch my shoe, bro. Fuck my bad. I didn't know.
I think Choco doesn't get it right. So when you use a E, the perma, after the E, use your W on the.
Don't cap, bro. Why are you capping? Who capped?
Who's capping, bro? What the fuck?
Who's capping, bro? Come on.
Oh, bro, this guy.
Hold on.
Don't put him in combat, bro. Who's this enemy guy, bro? Tell him to not put us in combat. Someone. Choco, you need to use your W on our engage, bro. And use your E on our clump. You are going to be the first one. Okay, we're ready now.
Move for NK.
Okay. Get in position again. RB can come up, bro. By the way, RB, you need to be here. Okay, wait. They're capping one. Wait. Okay, evils. Okay, you're correct.
AOI, it's go to 1.
Okay, G. Okay, get in position again. Get in position. RB can inch up. Just don't clump up front. D-tank, don't clump. Liv, you can go back, bro. You don't need to be up here. D-tank, don't clump. Don't clump Duca and Revong. This fine. Okay, on the D-tank next. When they clump, just look on this. Okay, get ready to look on the stairs. Okay, wait. Inch up. In 3, 2, 1 on me. And go back. Insta, go back. Go back. Go back. They're going to headbutt. Go back. Demis. Okay, inch up now. Get CD inch up. Demis. Get CD inch up. Deep. GA them. GA the clump. GA their backline, bro. GA their backline if you can. GA? No GA?
No, they blocked us, okay? They blocked us.
Okay, it's fine. Go up the choke again, bro. Don't clump. Go up the choke. Don't clump. Up the choke. Evils go up the choke. Evils go up. Okay? You guys can inch up down the choke. Okay, hit over the wall. Go down the choke. Come up and go southeast down the choke. Southeast down the choke. DPS, I need you southeast down the choke. Choco, don't you, bro. Heal GA. Duke, you go back. They're going to engage on you, bro. Okay, over the wall. Get ready over the wall in 3, 2, 1. Permalate. Okay, go back. You guys are fine. They're going to look now. I blocked them. You guys are fine. Get CD now. QW inside on D-tank, bro. What?
What's he doing?
Okay. They're looking. Gig now. Gig. Nice. Okay, headbutt them now. On the GA in 3, 2, 1. Oh fuck, I missed, bro. My bad. If you can, revive them anyway, bro. Full push now. Full push. Push them. They low. Push them. Oh, they GG. Okay. Reset. Fuck, bro. I miss and we still fight them.
Guys, don't use the E until he falls, okay?
Yeah. Also, Volt, try to be early, bro. You are on main tier, so you need to be a bit early.
I think Walter,
D-Tank DC or something.
I think
Yeah.
Walter is E on 2, so he should be early.
Yep, he needs to be early.
Walter, if you can use my set, we want to exchange. I can just take and
Okay, wait. You guys go down the choke. DPS, you just DPS and healer. You guys always stay down the choke. Let them regroup. Okay, remember, don't clump so you don't get GA.
World, why did you kill, bro?
Okay, there, G. Go back, bro. Don't push us so up. Don't push so up. Stay where you can hit me, guys. Stay where you can hit me. Just see me and stay where you hit me. Tell them if they try to. Tell them if they try to go back down. No, don't push. Just stay back. Stay on perma, bro. Stay on perma. We let them come. Yeah.
The D
Okay, get ready. Hear the clump if there's some. Okay, okay, never mind. Don't. Okay, I need, wait. Okay, get ready, engage over the wall on the D tank in 3, 2, 1. Oh, he went, he ate Giga, bro, he ate. Go back. It's fine. Get CD. We're fine here. He's looking on the GA. Oh, bro, their GMS. Headbutt them in 5. Deep, push deep now. On the GA in 3, 2, 1. On me. Huge. Nice, pull back. Push them. Push. Get CD push. Okay, stabilize. Go down the choke again. Down the choke. Use defense. Left. Down the choke. Stabilize here. They're looking, it's fine. Okay, they make. Okay, push now. Full push. I don't care. Okay, on this slump. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, you hit GA, bro. Good GA by the way. Okay, nice kill. Okay, go back down. They have engaged, bro. Go back down. Down. Don't clump. Get CD, don't clump. Do you have CD? CDs? Misfires or perma CD?
8 seconds.
Okay, 8 seconds. Stabilize. Don't clump. Do not clump. Okay, wait. Don't clump, guys. Don't clump. Spread. You have long your range. Spread. We wait for their engage. Okay, wait for. Okay. Inch up. D-tank can inch up to me, so we wait. DPS still stay back. D-tank can inch up, so we wait. D-tank inch up to wait. Okay, they're looking. Never mind. Okay, wait. They're going to push, I think. Okay, on the stairs in 3. Wait. In 3, 2, 1. Misfires are lost. Okay, GA. Okay, I need. Okay, it's fine. They're not pushing. You can get CD. Just get CD. Okay, they're looking. It's fine. Oh, they make. Okay, full push now. Full push. GA them. GA. Okay, on this slab. In 3. Okay, wait. He can't. I'm low. Heal me. Go back. Heal. Go back. Okay, they're getting on the stairs. Get ready on the stairs on their collar. Okay, get ready on the stairs on their collar. Again. Okay, in 3. Wait. Don't clump. Okay, we play headbutt now, bro. Fuck this. Wait, don't clump. You can spread out, bro. Spread out. It's fine. Okay, their collar low. Wait for collar to get low. On collar in 3, 2, 1. Nice. You can full push. Get CD push. Get CD push. How long CDs? CD. How long? Okay, is it GG?
10 seconds.
Okay. Go back. The GG. Don't kill. Do not kill.
The GA, bro. Sexy GA. Like it. So good.
Sir, bro.
He GA'd like.
No, don't trash talk.
So when do I use Roadbound, by the way?
Just stay on Oathkeeper if it's working. It's only for swap.
When they are engaging, I think you should use it for defense. That's good. You should see a lot of root bounds when they are getting engaged.
Holy mammoth. Go back, get ready. Don't spread out again, don't inch up. Spread out again on the back.
I think Duke should have brought a mammoth.
Okay, G. Okay.
Okay, so how about
Yeah,
you
don't
start?
clump, don't clump. Don't clump. Oh, he switched to Camelan, bro. You guys need to look out, bro. He's on Camelan now. Okay, on the stairs in 3, 2. Wait, fuck, I got night armor. Okay, get ready there. Oh, they perma miss. Okay, again on the collar in 3, 2, 1. If anything. Okay, Sanka. Okay, get CD. They don't have to CD. We don't have CD. They waste their GA. Okay. Rebound. Okay. Inch up on the GA. Inch up. Okay. Get ready. DPS in 3, in 2, in 1. Nice. Wipe them, bro. Wipe them. QW wipe. You are missing a misfire, sir. Missing a misfire, sir, bro. Okay, go back now. Go back. Oh, they counter. Give now. Okay, counter them. Get CD counter. Push up. Inch up. Keep pushing. We engage in 3. In 3, in 2, in 1. On me. Okay, go back. We fuck up. Go back. We have long CD now. Go back. Next engage. Yeah, you're to a front, bro. Come back. Come back. Get CD.
I have. I'm
Next
ready.
engage 6, okay? Come back. We don't push her. DPS, you're supposed to stay back, bro. DPS, go down the choke. DPS, go down the choke.
DPS ready.
Okay, wait. They're regrouping. I think they're regrouping. Let us. Okay. Wait. Go back. Okay, we wait for their. Okay, inch up. Don't clump. Inch up. Wait. Go back. Actually, go back. I will block their camland. Okay, AY, go back, bro. D-tank pinch up. Everybody else go back. D-tank pinch up with me. D-tank. Don't bait them into engaging us. Okay, hand on gig. Rebound. Hand on gig. Okay, just keep baiting. It's fine. Healer can also insert a bit, but don't. Okay, on the D-tank in 3, 2, 1. Okay, go back now. Back now. Back. Go back. Get CD. Go back. The D-tank is inside, bro. Don't push him more. Okay, the GF. Okay, inch up now. Oh, big clump. 3, 2, 1. On me. Okay, fuck long CD, I think. Okay, go back. QW, go back.
Kill this guy.
Oh, can we? What the? Nice. Okay.
Good.
The GG. Come back. It's GG. They're called I already. Get
Fuck,
ready.
so many GGs.
No,
We haven't died.
wait, don't trash talk.
I'm not trash talking, but
Who is trash talking?
I mean, even if the caller died, we should, you know.
Yeah, let's go back. Let them come.
Yeah.
complete.
Okay, you wanna go?
Mount up.
Let's go to their spawn.
Don't trash talk TN. He is my friend, bro. Please. Come back. Just mount up. Come back.
Spawn would be closer, bro.
Okay, dismount here. It's fine. Oh wait, okay, never mind. We are playing. I thought we were playing. Let's go back. I thought we were playing like here. That was their one.
So we trashed out.
No, don't not do. Friendlies only.
Okay. AOI.
Hey, you can gather on me.
Let it wait. I can.
Guys, just stay. I'll call them here. Just stay. On ping. Go on ping. Actually, since we are winning, I will try something else now.
It's gonna end in 5 minutes.
Oh, it's fine. We can ask around to it.
Then it's fine.
Okay, get ready on the top.
Okay. AOI, come back.
Okay, gather. Get ready, DPS, get ready.
Spread, okay?
Okay, this time we need to go deep. Okay, so guard rune. Remember, when we are pushing, you use your guard rune. Okay, you guys can inch up a bit. Their front line is low. Okay, fake, fake. This is fake in 3, 2, 1. Fake, fake, fake. No, fake, no, fake, no. Okay, okay, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, real one. Push up, inch up, inch up, inch up, inch up, inch up, inch up. Okay, deep, 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 deep. Guys, come up, come up. Deep in 3, 2, 1 on me. Okay, go back, 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 go back. QW, go back, QW, go back. Go back, go back. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. You can go back, go back. Get CD, go back. Get CD, go back. Get CD, get CD, get CD. Get CD, get CD, get CD. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Don't clump, don't clump, don't clump. Heal, volt, volt. Okay, nice, nice. No one die, no one die. Get full, get full, get full, get full. Heal, volt, heal, volt, heal, volt.
Where is
Arthur won't work, bro. Fuck, I need to. Arthur won't
It's
work.
ready in 10 seconds. 7 seconds.
Yep, yep, wait. We don't just come back, come back. I need to change to Hodge, bro. This is not working. This is so shit.
You can try, you can try. It's
Keep
fine.
kiting, keep kiting, keep kiting, keep kiting, keep kiting, keep kiting.
I think you should try.
I understand it already, but it's not. They're looking. Okay, no. Okay, wait. Don't clump. Okay, inch up. We go deep. Use your kick if you are in danger. Deep in 3, 2, 1. Oh fuck, I got.
Okay,
Okay, go back. GA them if you can. GA them. GA. Nice. Heal me. Come back. Just come back, bro. Come back, get CD. Okay, we playing too much, bro. Come back, get full. Come back. Come back, northeast. Duka? Come back, northeast. East. Guys, east. Go east. Go east.
listen.
Go east. You don't need to follow me, bro. Just go east. Go east on the narrow. Choke. Okay, stabilize there. Okay. Wait, they wasted. Okay, are they? Okay, I think they look trying to. Okay, on the D tank. Wait, inch up. On the D tank. Okay, in 3, 2. Okay, he's inside us. That silence line. Just go back. Get CD. Get cool. Oh, they're looking. Gig now. Gig. Okay, they miss. Inch up now. Deep. GA them if you can. GA them if you can.
5 seconds.
GA them if you can. Okay. On the collar in 3, in 2, in 1. Okay, go back now. Go back again. Go back.
Coming.
Go back. Get CD up the choke. Get CD up the choke. We're fine. Don't clump, guys. You're clumping. Okay. Shallow on the D tank in 3, 2, 1. If you can anything, just kill him here. Okay, let him go. Go back up. Go up again. Get CD. Get CD, go up again.
Okay.
Don't clump. Here clump. Heal. Great hammer. Oh, it's just a great hammer. Okay.
Yes, ready.
Okay, wait. Let them push. Don't clump. You guys clumping, bro. Don't clump. You spread out. But you can spread, but stay in range. Where?
Perfect.
Okay, you guys can inch up a bit now. Inch up. Deep in 3. Wait. Okay, on the D tank in 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's silenced. Can you? Okay, come back. Come back. They're looking. Come back. Just go up. Heal GA, bro. Heal. Sorry, great hammer. Heal TN. Okay, inch up now. Inch up. Okay, deep. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you guys do. Okay, guys, just come up. We are taking this. We're not playing good now. Okay, come back north. Come back north. Come back north. Come back north.
Oh.
Stabilize here. Next engage 9 seconds. Okay, next engage 9 seconds. Don't overextend. We should have died.
You sure?
Just stabilize here. Okay, on their front, on their collar, fake. Okay, I will fake on their collar. Fakes on their collar. It will be fake in 3, 2, 1. Faking now. It's fake, bro. Okay, go back. They're looking. Go back. It's fine. They engage me, bro. Don't clump. Go back. Get CD. Inch up now. Get CD. Push. Get CD and push. CD and push. Okay, come up now. Deep. In 3. Wait. After the purity in 3, in 2, in 1 on me. Oh fuck. Here, come back north. Come back north now. He'll live. He'll live. Oh fuck, bro, we drive. Gig now. Don't die. Go up the choke, bro. Where are you going? Go up the choke, our kite path, bro. Still no one died?
No.
Okay.
Stabilize.
Okay, get full. Oh, let's now gig up them here. 3, 2, 1. Nice, fight them, pull them now, pull them, fight them, full wipe them. Just wipe them here. Kill their healer. Okay, it's fine, it's fake, they don't have. So full wipe them, full wipe. Okay, go back up now.
And
Oh, fuck, no one died?
Arena stats. Damage. The second page.
Yep.
Hey, Arham.
Scroll a bit.
I have the high. Do I? No, Choco Pie.
Bro, I have 32,000 damage somehow. It's more than gold, bro. What?
I don't know.
Yeah,
how.
that cannot be real, bro. You need to train your DPS better. 32, you do more damage than your DPS is crazy, bro.
Bro, how do I have more damage? Wait, I will switch VC.
Yeah, you only
Do you guys want to do one more even though it's shit?
Yeah.
Don't know.
For sure.
Give me party lead, Liv.
What the fuck? I did 70